Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V30 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down. We have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. And here our device is informing us what it will actually reset, so among others Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. You can also erase eSIM cards, so it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. Just tap on reset settings, confirm everything with your screen lock, and here we've got the warning that you cannot undo this action, so be aware, and tap on reset settings if you're ready. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.